So I am coming at you today with 5 reasons to farm sheep. Now, if you watched yesterday's video, it was 3 challenges to consider before considering sheep. And if you watched that video and you said, okay, I can be a shepherd, okay, I can invest in fencing, and okay, I can get a good parasite management strategy down, then this video is for you, because I'm going to give you 5 reasons why I believe that sheep are the future of small farming in the USA. So 5 reasons why I believe that sheep are the way of the future for small-scale farming in the USA. And the first one is that they're ideal for smaller acreages. So sheep are about 1/5 to 1/7 the size of one cow, meaning there's a lot more flexibility with respect to stocking rates. Sheep are extremely economical on pasture, and they make use of what most cattlemen would call weeds to produce extremely high quality meat. When I am grazing my sheep and I will watch what forages they go for right when they are launched onto a new pasture, they're typically things like blackberry vines, ragweed, and the like. So when they are on pasture, they will literally eat your pasture out of these weeds. And they're also perfect if you are diversifying and you are running both cows and sheep together. They are an ideal combination there. But sheep in general make use of things like shrubs, trees, weeds, and so forth to create excellent quality meat. So they will really utilize all different kinds of forages, making them absolutely excellent for smaller acreages. Reason number 2, sheep are able to wean their body weight equivalent in offspring every year, whereas cows and larger livestock can only do half of that. So depending on the breed that you have, and honestly depending on how good of a breeder that particular ewe is, you will get lambs that are the equivalent weight of their mom at the end of 1 year. Most sheep have twins, sometimes triplets. Singleton usually comes on the first lambing, but sheep are highly productive in the reproduction realm. Reason number 3 is that lamb is generally viewed as a higher end meat and will bring anywhere from 20 to 30% over beef at market, and that's based on my personal research. So if you are a market farmer planning to take your goods straight to consumer, lamb is a higher yielding product, pound for pound. Number 4, sheep are a great option for super small scale farmers and family farming situations. Now, I am going to say that you need to practice caution with any and all livestock, absolutely. But on our farm particularly, we are less nervous about having our smaller help around the sheep as we are around the larger cattle. Because sheep are about 1/5 to 1/7 the size of a larger cattle option like a cow or a steer, you've got a little bit more flexibility in your stocking rate. So if you're working on something like 4 acres or 5 acres, you might have the ability to run 5 to 7 sheep, whereas you would only want to go with probably 1 to 2 cows on that same acreage. And reason number 5 is that sheep, at least the Dorper breed that we are currently working with, are going for about double the price live weight of their large cattle equivalent, the beef cow. Now, market prices fluctuate like crazy, so I hesitate to include that market report in this particular video, but that is one of the draws for me, is that the live weight sale price of my Dorper sheep are twice that of the beef cattle that I also carry. And there you go, 5 reasons to consider farming sheep on your small farming operation. There are significant challenges to consider when raising sheep. See the previous video for those. But if you can get your management strategies under control, I am convinced that sheep can be a very profitable option for your small farm.